muramuleta
Aber Bziyamano chairman wa Erusi ya katana wa Kisoro district arukamye kuyiguroku yasima ba president b'amahanga gombera bukwikirizaga bakakingura aho abaturage bamaze imyaka 3 basibirwe hataraho kusharo kutaho mu Uganda n'ubwako bwo kutaho mu Rwanda.
Dushimire nyakubahwa president wacu General Kaguta Tibuhaburwa Museveni, tumukomere mu mashi cyane. Icambere tumushime yuko iyi ngorane yayifajemo neza nk'umubyeyi mukuru.
Yagaraka yasima General Muhozi kinerwa babo kutabamano kureba ngo bakura ababikirizagana kandi yashaba abaturage kwatanasa n'abantu ba Rwanda batari kubajogora.
A very special day for the people of Kisoro because we have been locked down twice. The first lockdown was the closure of the border. The second lockdown was due to COVID-19. We did a great job with our task force in the country, and the president declared removing the lockdown. But we had remained with the lockdown of the border. Now today is a graceful, a memorable, a fundamental day because now the lockdown caused by the border closure has also been removed today.
Abanyarwanda bo babanza kutaho mu Uganda kandi bataha no kushemerwa kwa mana abanyayuganda nabo babakira bariko bahobera ngo bakabura.
Twanezerewe cyane ni cyumunezero mwinshi kuba twashoboye kongera kubonana kugera mu Uganda tugahura n'abaturanyi bacu abavandimwe none tukaba dusanze muri bazima natwe turi bazima.
Ndi gushimira abakuru b'ibihugu bombi ari u Rwanda wacu n'uwanyu wa Uganda kuba bagerageje kumvikana kugira ngo abanyagihugu babo twebwe babo tubashe kongera gushikirana urujya n'uruza rwongere twe twishimye cyane.
Ababikiriza kutaho mu ihango mu mateka kandi babe bine pande babasirikiraho urwire bwa COVID-19. Jofra Murero muhandiki mukuru w'abashubuzi ba Kisoro Rwanda yahamya ko ensharo zigurwa kandi yashaba abashubuzi batahibe kutomu nkorebera kwetengwa. Makuru agagasha kwa keta tuzarirwe.